Hey guys, it's Tinelli. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've already been here. Today I will be showing you guys my Valentine's Day makeup routine. It's gonna be a little bit extra because it's Valentine's Day and I like doing extra makeup looks for like holidays and stuff. A few disclaimers to begin with, and I always do this, but I haven't posted in a long time. That's mainly because I've been focusing in school, and school's keeping me very busy, and I do have a job after school, so that's the only reason why I haven't posted. There's nothing else. I mean, whenever I get home from work, I have to literally like do homework, and then I'm exhausted and I don't feel like filming. So it's kind of like a personal thing. Like, I'm lazy to film after that because I do have the time after school. I'm just so freaking tired that I'm like, I don't want to do it. But I'm gonna really try this time. Today's Sunday. I have a lot of homework to do. I was stressing out a lot in December because I have finals and stuff like that. I broke out. And then January came. I was still stressed because I didn't know the result of my finals. I feel like that's what broke me out. And then now my skin is clearing out once I'm good. I already did my foundation off camera and my eyebrows. If you want to see how I did my foundation routine and covered up a lot of scars and acne that I have, you should just go watch that. It's gonna be in the link in my description. You can see that I actually covered up a lot of stuff. Now keep on watching for my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'm not contouring yet until the end. I always like doing that at the end because I feel like that gives it the finishing look. For this specific look, we will be working with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's very colorful. It has a lot of really good shades that I can use for Valentine's Day. I'm baking my under eyes again because they were creasing. I crease a lot and I really don't know what to do. We're just gonna go along and follow our cards, I guess. I'm gonna start with a really hot pink, and we're going to literally pack it on. The one thing that I noticed is that I have a really small eyelid and I have a little bit of a hooded crease, so I go above my crease, like very above it, because when I cut my crease later, I want that eyeshadow to show. We don't need to worry about the eyelid because the eyelid is getting cut anyway. Bring it a little bit up here, like, you know, you don't want it to go down, you want it to go like up, and we're just going to bring it like halfway. There you go. It doesn't have to be perfect right now because we're still gonna blend the outer like edges. I'm gonna take the red, the darker red, because it's like a red but it's not that dark, and we're going to place it in our outer corner, and it's going to wing out. Now for this part, I'm just going to kind of blend them together with a small brush. We're gonna worry about the edges in a little bit. To blend them together, I literally just go in circles like this and blend them together. It actually blends super easy. If one color is overpowering the other, like the red is overpowering the pink, then you just take your pink and kind of, you know, even it out. I'm going to take a clean brush. I'm going to take this pink elf brush, and we're going to buff out the edges, so I am going to be blending them. I'll take a little bit more of the red and add it here and keep blending. This is what the eye looks like after I kind of blended it, and this is how bad it looks. So if it looks this bad at first, just have hope because you could do it. Just take your time. We'll take a highlight color, which I'm taking the highlight from my actual Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I will highlight under my brow right away, not at the end because I actually like doing this right away. And I will blend together the shades with the highlight. It's like magic. I finished blending the edges, so now my next step, I'm going to darken out the red a little bit, so it's going to turn a little bit purple. I will take a dark purple right here because I feel like it will actually go really good with the red, and I will take the tiny brush that I used with the pink before. For my taste, I like the outer corner to be a little bit darker. I feel like you can do like a whole eyeshadow look with just like primary colors and like not blend it, and you will look mad aesthetic, but I feel like when I do that, I feel like my makeup is still unfinished. I'll take a little red and we're going to blend it. I hope this purple blends because if not, I'm going to be really upset. I don't know why people be so worried about what they post on their story. No, like I feel like people are worried, which is so unnecessary when people worry about like, oh my god, I'm posting too much on my story or blah blah blah. Like if somebody doesn't want to look at it, they just skip through it. So don't stress about what you're posting. Ooh, I don't know, I feel like I don't care, I just post. I did the darker purple. As you can tell, it actually looks okay. I managed to blend it a little bit. I will cry if this video doesn't get views because I actually worked so hard on editing makeup videos. Y'all have no idea. I spent like 5 hours editing makeup videos. Well, I'm going to be cutting my crease, and for that I will add some concealer on my lid and look up. And then the mark is there. I have to fix it. Ugh. You'll see why I don't make makeup videos anymore. That's why. If I see that I don't have enough concealer, I just add a lot more like this, because I already know where I can finish, you know. I do a lot. This brush is wax, so I'm switching. I'm glad I got new brushes. They're not wax like this one. They're not wax. It's hard to like look in the mirror and cut the crease and also show you guys on the camera. I just follow the shape of my eyelids, but I go above my eyelid, as you can tell, because if I want my cut crease to show more, you kind of have to go above your eyelid if you have hooded eyelids like mine. If you're going to leave it nude like this, it's important that it's very perfect and straight. But I am adding glitter to this look, so it doesn't really matter that much. I kind of fixed the mistake. Now I'm just gonna make sure that my crease is very like straight, although I said it doesn't matter. I know I'm taking the term out of context, but I do get a little bit OCD when it comes to the line. So we are going to set it with a nude color. It doesn't matter because we will add glitter on top. So I'm gonna take my Morphe 350 and I will take one of the nudes, whichever. I don't really care, and I feel like setting it makes the crease look a lot neater. I don't know if it's just me. Kind of fix it with this. For the fun part, we'll add some glitter. Every time I add glitter, I use my NYX glitter primer. It's very good. My glitter lasts all night. So I will add a little bit on the back of my hand. The flat brush that I use for my crease, because I'm not picky like that. I will use the same brush for everything. We're just going to add this all over where we cut the crease. I need the mirror for this, I'm so sorry. Add the glitter primer all over, and it dries and gets tacky really fast. So the thing about this glitter primer is that it gets really tacky, so if you open your eyes, it is going to crease. So I will add my glitter. I'm going to use this pink glitter, and I will mix it with this redder glitter. Try my best to achieve like a little ombre effect with them. This is pinker, this is lighter pink. I don't know if I've seen that anywhere before, but if I haven't, then I made it up. I'm kidding, I've done this plenty of times because I've probably seen it somewhere. Espérate, because this look is actually a fucking killer. No. Oh yeah, oh my god, I've been recording this whole time. This is how I added my glitter to my eyes, and it's kind of like blended. This one's more blended. I'm kind of struggling with this one, but it's fine. And I take the colors that I did on my lid and I add them on my waterline, but I am feeling a pop of color this time. For my pop of color, I think I will do this purple. I say I think while I'm doing it already. I will do this purple and I will mix it with the pink or the red, we'll see. Oh, I poked my eye with eyeshadow. Ah. Next thing I really like, it's doing my inner corner highlight. I will take the highlight color in here and I will add a lot of that highlight in my inner corner. For my final step when it comes to my eyes, I'm going to add the lashes, and I am using very cheap lashes. So I got my cheap lashes and my really ugly black glue that is probably gonna ruin my makeup. So I did one eyelash, and as you guys can tell, the glue is black, so it's messy, which I hate. I'm gonna fix that with glitter. This is how I do it. I just grab the eyelash, I look down. It's not really that hard. It only gets hard when the glue becomes messy. Like on my other eye, it really tried it, but it worked actually. They're really natural looking, so I'm going to add more mascara. For mascara today, we'll be using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. For my face makeup, I will be using this contour brush from BH Cosmetics. It's like my favorite one right now. It literally beat my other crusty brush. So I just mix all of the bronzer shades, like this 3. I don't really follow the line like everybody else does it under, like on this line, but that doesn't work for every face. So when you see a YouTuber telling you do this and follow this line, don't do it. Do what you do for your face. And I go above the line. So I feel like if you have a bigger face, like a rounder one like me, you go above the line and it gives you that like smaller face look. But this brush is amazing. It's so soft that I feel like you could even do foundation with this brush. I am a contour junkie. Like I do love contouring a lot. You don't have to contour, but I do bronze my face out. Oh, this is my favorite, ultimate favorite blush palette. There is like magnetic, which is cool. I mix this too, and I take this brush that I already used and I just help my contour blend by adding this blush. And on camera my makeup looks way lighter than what it looks in real life, like I mentioned, so I'm adding a lot, but I know that in person I'm going to look bizarre. I'm going to take this brush and kind of like remove it a little bit. I love baking during my eyeshadow because you guys cannot see how much fallout I had. Okay, now we can resume to our blush and highlighting routine. So I take a lot of blush because I like blush now. I don't know where, but I like it. Now you can kind of see me coming back to life because I looked very pale. For your highlight, you can honestly use anything. I use my Ofra highlighting palette, which was actually a lot of different colors, but it broke and then I mixed all of them together and it gave me this really pretty champagne highlight color. But I take the same brush and I kind of just, I mean, come on, look at this. That's too much. I added on my Cupid's bow. I will have to fix my contour now because I added a lot of highlight. A small brush. And I literally just create a nose up here because I feel like mine is kind of flat up here. I go from here and I kind of erase my little bubble nose down here. My bump kind of goes that way, like, so it's kind of hard to contour. It's weird, like if you see it on this side, the bump is smaller than on this side, as you can tell. So it's kind of hard to make my nose work, but I try. I kind of blend it up to here, and then I make my nose shorter by adding it here. I don't need to add more product now, I just need to blend. Also, my storage was full, so I had to like go delete a few things and come back. This is my nose contoured. I add a little bit of blush. I do add the lighter blush, not like the warmer brush, and I kind of go over it because I like that look. I'm telling you, the e-girls from TikTok are taking over me with the blushy looks. I usually do more than that, but I don't want my family to think I'm crazy, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. The liners do really work really good for that brand, so I like them. Like, look how nice it looks. Now I just added a clear gloss with a lip liner and it's really pretty. If you guys want to know what this lip liner is called, it's the Bombshell lip liner by Aesthetica, and this is what it looks like. It's 2 liners in one. We're going to spray my face. It's not very good, so I don't do too much. I just do that. This is my finished product, y'all. I hope you really liked it. It's perfect for a Valentine's Day date night, like, you know, like a really fancy date night. Not like you're gonna go eat sushi, like you're not gonna wear this to sushi, but if you're gonna go out somewhere really fancy on Valentine's Day, and ooh, look at my little curl back there. I really recommend this look. I hope you guys can follow it and like it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Comment down below if you liked it, share, like, and subscribe. In the description there'll be my social media if you're interested. So yeah, bye, thank you.